Guys, do you have to cut these tiles right here, but you don't have a wet saw? I'll show you how to cut them. Really nice, perfect, no chipping, no breaking. Here we go. I'm in a dome right now, the Dome Hotel. As you can see, it's so cool. Look at this little kitchen, little table. There's a bed, and then there you can look outside. That's pretty cool, eh? So what you want to do, I'll show it to you in steps because I can't. I don't know where my head thing is. Okay, so you want to get measurements. So let's say I have to cut in between here. See how I cut all of those? So you got a measurement. What I measured is 10 5/8 because you want to leave a gap, 1/8 gap on each side. So 10 5/8. Now you want to find where you want to cut so you don't have like, don't cut like that because then you have a little piece there, right? So you want to make sure you're going to have a nice chunk. So what I found on mine, I add 1 inch here. I start at 1 inch and then I go to 11 5/8. That's what I do. So, but first what you do, you figure all that out, but first you do is you put some tape on. There you go. You want to put tape on right where you cut, preferably in the middle, but as long as the line is going to be on the tape. So the tape holds these nice and together. Okay, now let's make our marks. Okay, so on this side I go at 1 inch. 1 inch. On this side I go at 11 5/8. 11 and a half, 5/8 is right there. Boom. I want to do the same thing on this side. There you go. Now I got marks on both sides. Then you want to put up a square, something a straight edge, line it up, and then mark it. There you go. I'm marking horrible. That's why there's 2 lines there, but I know which one to cut. Then you go out, take a grinder. This is a $50 blade, diamond blade. It's a very nice one. That's all you need. Hold it nice and steady. Follow the line all the way through. Just score it once. And then come back and then go deeper and then cut it all the way. And then do the same thing on the other side. And put something underneath that you can like push through so you're not wrecking anything. So I'm gonna go outside and cut it real quick. See all those cuts I made? Anyways, there you go. Now, you're gonna just score it. Boom, just one score, and then come back and then cut it through. Look at that. Just have to rip the backing off. Take the tape off. Look at that. How nice. Dang, that's crazy. That's such a crazy good cut. Way better than if I wouldn't have used the tape. The tape also helps you grip so you don't like move around. Let's do the other side real quick. Boom, look at that. Dang, bro. That's some crazy good skill with only a grinder, baby, come on. There you go, guys. I showed you a really cool trick. Now I'm gonna install these and they're gonna look really nice. I'll show you what they look after. This deserves a subscribe and a like. Thank you for watching. And here we go, let's install these. Get this bathroom looking all nice. I got the adhesive on there, the mortar. Now we're gonna set these tiles. So let's grab the first one. Just grab a grout float and press on it. Make sure every little piece is on there real good. Hopefully you don't have any mortar coming out. That's a pain to clean up later. Okay, second piece is in. Let's do the third piece. Grab your sponge and clean it out. I'm gonna use this tool. I might be able to use it now already. Because once that stuff dries, good luck. Then you're gonna be playing around for a while. So first you wanna do is put your schluter on. And then you're gonna measure the height from the lowest peak, or whichever place you wanna measure. And then you're gonna put tape on it, cut it again, and then put it in. So what you wanna do is, after you put the schluter in, you wanna add a bit more grout, a bit more mortar. That little piece fell off, it didn't break though. But yeah, pretty good cut, I'd say. And then these two pieces I had to cut extra. The sheet was too short. So you want to place it on there. So you gotta squish it on there, make sure everything is pressed on firmly. Then you place in your small pieces. For some reason my camera cut off. I think storage was full. Anyway, that's it for this video. Give it a like, follow, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See ya.